There's no escaping the thrill at Universal Studios' newest coaster, VelociCoaster. Join us as we travel 70 miles per hour above, around, and through the spine-chilling velociraptor paddock in Islands of Adventure, Florida. VelociCoaster, which opened on June 10, 2021, is billeted as the tallest and fastest launch coaster in Florida. Built by Intamin, who also constructed Hagrid's Motorbike adventure, this coaster takes guests on 2 launches, 12 airtime moments, and a 140-foot drop at an 80-degree angle, and multiple barrel rolls.
The majority of the theming takes place while guests are in the queue.
They pass by a statue of the 4 velociraptors: Blue, Echo, Delta, Charlie. Random, but why wasn't Blue named Bravo?
You'll also see Dr. Henry Wu make an appearance, nicely tying in the original Jurassic Park films.
As guests continue in the queue, they can see the roller coaster vehicle zoom by a window, with the velociraptors in tow chasing right behind them. Guests later view a video by Mr. DNA, memorable for Dano DNA, where he briefly speaks about the velociraptors and the locker system.
Perhaps the most exciting part of the queue occurs when guests pass by several caged and bound velociraptors. The dinosaurs will blink, shake, and move, but don't worry, they have been secured by park staff.
After guests pass through the locker and metal detector zone of the queue, they enter into the final pre-show area, where they watch a video featuring Chris Pratt and Bryce Dallas Howard's Jurassic World characters arguing over the safety of a roller coaster in the velociraptor paddock. This ride is equally terrifying and exhilaratingly fun. The drop itself isn't the scariest roller coaster drop, but the barrel rolls over the lagoon give guests the illusion that they'll quickly slip out of their seats and into the lagoon below. But thanks to good old science, you will be safe. Just keep reminding yourself that as you scream in terror.
We'd say this is easily one of the best rides in Florida. However, we do think the theming throughout the actual coaster itself is lacking. The attraction is more focused on the thrill of the roller coaster than on the additions and the theming of the coaster. If you have to choose out of all of the roller coasters at Universal Studios Orlando Resort, we suggest Hagrid's Motorbike Adventure and VelociCoaster. We'd say Hagrid's is one step above because of the theming throughout the ride, but VelociCoaster is definitely the most thrilling attraction. The direction that Universal is going with their new rides is exciting, and we're here for it. We give VelociCoaster 9 out of 10 lightning bolts. Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction. Throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. This is Magiq Atlas, bringing the magic to you.